Voyager 1, the last voice across the stars. It shouldn't be possible. A probe launched nearly half a century ago, built on ancient circuits and powered by fading plutonium, is still whispering through the void, still talking to us. Voyager 1 has been gone longer than most of us have been alive. It's now so far away that sunlight itself takes more than 22 hours to reach it. And yet, across the darkness, a heartbeat still echoes. A flicker of code, a pulse of light, the most distant conversation in human history. This isn't just the story of a spacecraft. It's the story of connection, the story of us. The year was 1977, the same year Star Wars hit theaters and disco filled the airwaves. That summer, NASA launched two twin probes, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Their mission was simple, yet audacious: visit the outer planets, study them up close, and if fate allowed, keep going. Voyager 1's path took it past Jupiter and Saturn, capturing volcanic eruptions on Io, the icy rings of Saturn, and moons humanity had never seen before. By 1980, its grand tour was complete. But instead of dying out there, it did something no spacecraft had ever done. It kept going. It fired its thrusters one last time, broke free of the sun's grasp, and drifted into the unknown. From that moment, Voyager 1 became something new, the first emissary of Earth to the stars. Today, Voyager 1 is over 24 billion kilometers from home, a number too vast to truly comprehend. A commercial jet would need 80,000 years to reach it. Even light, the fastest thing in existence, takes nearly a full day to make the trip. When we send a command, Voyager doesn't hear it until 22 hours later. Then we wait another 22 hours to know if it heard us at all. It's like talking to someone a day away in time. And yet, somehow, the conversation continues. Its transmitter is weaker than a refrigerator bulb. By the time that signal washes back across space, it's 20 billion times fainter than the static in your phone charger. But faint isn't gone. It's still enough for the Deep Space Network, 3 colossal antenna arrays in California, Spain, and Australia, to catch it. Together, these dishes form the quietest room on Earth, one that spans continents. Their job? To hear a single whisper from the edge of the sun's light. Voyager's mind runs on 1970s hardware, 8-track memory, hand-wired circuits, and a processor slower than a digital watch. Its power comes from plutonium-238, decaying inside 3 nuclear batteries. At launch, they produced 470 watts, enough to light a few bulbs. Now, half a century later, less than half remains. One by one, NASA's engineers have shut down instruments and heaters, choosing survival over sight. Still, the heart beats. The magnetometer hums. The cosmic ray detector listens. Each bit of data, each faint pulse of binary, travels through 24 billion kilometers of silence before landing in Pasadena, where it's translated into graphs, numbers, and meaning. It's slow, 160 bits per second, but every bit is a message from beyond the sun. In 2024, disaster struck. Voyager's telemetry glitched, and its data became unreadable. Engineers, most born after launch, sifted through handwritten notes and faded diagrams from the 70s, trying to speak the language of a machine older than themselves. Weeks passed, then months. Finally, after countless nights of trial and error, a clear signal flickered across the monitors. Telemetry restored. Voyager had come back from the brink. It wasn't just a technical victory. It was proof that even across 24 billion kilometers, human patience can still reach the impossible. Voyager 1 has now left the Sun's bubble, the heliosphere, and entered true interstellar space. Out there, the solar wind fades, and the galaxy itself begins. It measures cosmic rays no probe has ever touched, maps the density of plasma between stars, and listens to the faint hum of the Milky Way. Every byte it sends helps us understand where our solar system ends and where the galaxy begins. Affixed to its side is a golden disc, a message to eternity. Etched into it are 115 images of life on Earth, the sounds of thunder, birds, laughter, Beethoven, and Chuck Berry. Greetings in 55 languages and one in whale song. Instructions show how to play it, written in the mathematics of the universe. It's our cosmic signature, a time capsule meant to last 1 billion years. Even after the signal fades, Voyager will still carry our voice through the stars. One day, its nuclear heart will cool. The final instrument will go silent. The deep space network will keep listening, waiting for a last whisper. When that silence finally comes, Voyager will not be dead, only free. For 40,000 years, it will drift past distant stars. In 1,000,000, it will trace new constellations. In 1,000,000,000, it will still be out there, long after every city, every monument, every memory on Earth has turned to dust. So why do we still listen? Because Voyager 1 isn't just a spacecraft. It's a mirror, reflecting what we become when we dare to reach farther than reason allows. It reminds us that distance doesn't define connection, and that even the faintest signal can carry meaning across eternity. One day the antennas will fall silent. But Voyager's message, our message, will continue, forever outward. A golden record spinning through infinity. A whisper that says simply, we were here, we cared, we reached for the stars.